Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one. People, in today's video, we want to talk about Bounty Killer, the ground Godzilla, the poor people governor. Also, we want to talk about Vybz Kartel, Adi the teacher, Mr. Palmer, world boss. Also, we want to talk about the Gaza sheep them. The Gaza fans them. So people, Bounty Killer style Vybz Kartel in the wickedest way. Bounty Killer this, the Gaza fans them. After the Gaza fans them at this Bounty Killer because Bounty Killer say massacre him artist, massacre side him a run with. In the war with Massacre and Tamily, Bounty Killer show him allegiance and him loyalty to Massacre. Bounty say Massacre him artist, not Tamily. People from Deso, in the YouTube streets, in the internet streets, appear disrespect Bounty Killer I get. Bounty Killer get disrespect pan IG. Wicked pan him own page, in him own comment section. The Gaza fans them a style Bounty Killer and a tell Bounty Killer about him mother. The wickedest way. Them a disrespect Miss Ivy and a style Miss Ivy. So Bounty Killer cup run over. Bounty Killer can't take it no more. Bounty Killer style the Gaza fans them as ungrateful. Gaza sheep them. Bounty Killer a style them. Even Vybz Kartel blogger when name Gaza uncle. Even one Kevin where they pan TikTok. Bounty Killer call him Gavin. Bounty Killer style him in the wickedest way. Bounty Killer come out and address Vybz Kartel. Bounty Killer make some posts and show how him defend Vybz Kartel. How him put him career on the line and bring out Vybz Kartel in the Miglai set when Bounty Killer perform certain stage show when Gopan. Bounty Killer call out Vybz Kartel and introduce Vybz Kartel to the world. Even when Buju Banton take the mic for Vybz Kartel, Bounty Killer make Buju Banton know say in can't this the youth. Bounty Killer said the youths of today is the youths of tomorrow. Bounty Killer said, Buju, me rate you, but you can't this cartel. What you do a foolish. Even when no five people have never want hear Vybz Kartel, cause at the time Vybz Kartel did a chat some lyrics, but him did a chat fast. And Bounty Killer tell him say slow down. Bounty Killer tell the fans them say give the youth a chance, give the youth a listening ears. Even when them book Bounty Killer for some sure, Bounty Killer still a call out Kartel. At the time, nobody no know a Kartel like that. Kartel was known in a for him local area. But Bounty Killer, who was the man at the time with the big platform, one of the toughest in a dancehall at the time and still is, Bounty Killer used for him platform for push Vybz Kartel a road and help Vybz Kartel to become the star when be today. So Bounty Killer have enough and him cup run over. So now Bounty Killer cross angry and miserable and the Gaza fans them ungrateful. And this is not about Jump Out TV production a defend Bounty Killer, but we are defend loyalty and we are defend respect. When Bounty Killer do things where we not like, we beat him for it and we address it. When Bounty Killer wrong in wrong, but Bounty Killer as a legend in a dance hall and fi know where Bounty Killer do for the genre. Bounty Killer is one of the column. Bounty Killer will give with so much different star and superstar. Bounty Killer will turn so much artists in a millionaire. Enough people should have out here a different Bounty Killer because Bounty Killer never do nothing wrong. A clash a go on and Bounty Killer pick a side, which is Massacre. Remember, say Bounty Killer help push Massacre to the world. Bounty Killer call up Massacre on stage same way. Bounty Killer do collab with Massacre same way. Yes, Bounty Killer and Tommy Lee have them differences and then fix that. But in the clash, Bounty Killer assure support to Massacre. Saying and the Gaza fans them never like that. Yes, you no have to agree with Bounty Killer, but him entitled to him opinion. Likewise, you no entitled to phone opinion. Gaza fans, Gaza sheep. So if you no support Tommy Lee because Tommy Lee a defend Vybz Kartel, yes, on support Tommy Lee. Bounty Killer support Massacre, him entitled to him own opinion. But them dirty thinking Gaza fans here, no found way a sheep, a uno a help mash up dancehall. Because dancehall is a sport, it's a competitive sport, a clash a go on. Everybody fi pick them side. Yes, you can disagree with Bounty Killer, but when you go tell a man about his mother and send him back up and thy mother because the man have an opinion pan for him personal page, all you know have to do allow him or leave him alone. And the problem with Gaza fans, enough of them not intelligent or educated. Enough of them can't have an intelligent conversation or have a conversation pan a intellectual level where them not disrespect you. Enough of them so dark. Once them disagree with you, them have to send you up under your mother, under your wife, under your family, or them are going to threaten your life. Them want to thump you in your mouth. Cause when dunce people no know how to articulate or explain themselves, when them can't get them point across on an intelligent level, them have to go dark. Them have to go dumb. Then can't have a conversation and you and them disagree and them understand your point, understand where you come from. Them not understand say that is your opinion. I'm on page. If you not agree with him, you not have to go over there. But you can disagree with Bounty Killer without sending him up on thy mother. Me have to wonder if you not respect or care about phone mother and how some of them Gaza fans here defend Vybz Kartel. Them not defend them woman so. Them not defend them family so. Enough of them not even defend them kids so. Enough of them willing to crash out for Vybz Kartel, a person where them never meet a day in a them life. Remember, sir, Kartel said enough of uno broke. Uno no have no money. When uno disrespect, see them. Kartel even style uno. When Freedom Street ticket they cost over 26,000 Jamaican dollar. No for uno couldn't afford it. The man have to drop the price and the man say him a drop the price for him fans them were financially challenged. So no for uno broke and him a tell uno so uno financially challenged. So the time when no for uno a this Bounty Killer, uno go fix uno life then. Uno go fix change up uno life. Some uno no need to get uno money up. But no for uno a disrespect Bounty Killer and no style the man. No for uno on the respect Kartel, but uno no respect where Bounty Killer do for Kartel, and uno no respect how Bounty Killer help Kartel. And if it wasn't for Bounty Killer, there wouldn't be a Vybz Kartel. Cause Vybz Kartel himself say him no know about a next world or a next life. But if it wasn't for Bounty Killer, there wouldn't be a Vybz Kartel. A Kartel said that, and just the same way and tell him son them say respect and love Bounty Killer, because if I never Bounty Killer, Uno would not live the life here. So at the end of the day, Kartel fi make him fans them know a same thing. And so uno cannot disrespect Bounty Killer. Any problem we have, make we fix it. We are big man. Uno stay out a father and son thing. Stay out a family thing. Seeing a that Kartel fi come out here and address the people and make them know or go under Bounty post and say, yo, me no want no man where say Gaza come over here so come this Bounty Killer or make a post on him page. Me know say majority of fans them will respect and rate him, we at least understand or the level of disrespect would have cut down. Bounty Killer himself would have even respect Kartel more. If you know say Kartel come out here and tell the fans them say, Bill, humble on yourself. Cause enough of the fans them, we are Bounty Killer fans them rate Kartel. But when them see the friggery where Kartel a do, enough of them now stand for it. And the Alliance fans them not even disrespect Vybz Kartel. Cause them know Vybz Kartel is a part of Alliance. But the Gaza fans them only respect and care about Vybz Kartel. And enough of time when you have a fan base where majority of them are duns, not even you yourself can control them. But if you know say a youth when you Gaza uncle where is a blogger for Vybz Kartel, we talk to Kartel on a regular basis, where even after the man this Bounty Killer as Bowers send Bounty Killer up under Miss Ivy, Kartel still link with him, sure that Kartel co-sign Gaza uncle a disrespect Bounty Killer. If Vybz Kartel still a link with one Kevin, and one Kevin I say last week in talk to Kartel, that mean to say Kartel co-sign one Kevin a this Bounty Killer. And Vybz Kartel know everything we are going on the internet. So me no want nobody say Vybz Kartel no know what we are going on the internet. Vybz Kartel I want to pioneer with Jamaican internet. Him a vlog before the whole away. Them man the video everything way before the whole away. Vybz Kartel even when in there in a prison, the man say everything we going on the internet. He know. And him did have his phone a record in a prison. And him did have his phone and make certain posts. So Vybz Kartel know everything. Vybz Kartel posts everything on the internet. Vybz Kartel have the most time in the world. And Vybz Kartel can make a post and so no Bill, stop this the general. No matter what me and the general have. Or make it people them know say me and the general good. A Bounty Killer that. No, Vybz Kartel no address it. And that Bounty Killer really have a problem with. If you see the people them we are send him up on thy mother. How can Vybz Kartel say love his mother and in rate his mother, but him no respect Bounty Killer mother? Bounty Killer mother, Miss Ivy, we care Bounty Killer come in the world. The same Bounty Killer will come and help Vybz Kartel. Miss Ivy, flesh and bone. Miss Ivy will carry this youth for 9 months. And him can help Kartel. And the same person where Miss Ivy bring in the world for help Vybz Kartel. And the same Vybz Kartel fan base. A disrespect the woman is sad. And anybody will have mother now go feel good if see the amount of disrespect where Bounty Killer a get. If I did somebody else a disrespect killer, me understand the part there. Me now say me agree with it or me disagree. But it worse when a somebody where you help I tell you about your mother. It worse when a family at fan base I tell you about your mother. Vybz Kartel. A Bounty Killer help you so you can help your mother. The love where you show your mother. The sufferation where you stop for your mother. The sufferation where your mother never has certain things. When she did hungry. When she did broke. When she never live good. A Bounty Killer make you turn in a millionaire. Me remember when you say you buy your mother the house. And you make sure say your mother good. A Bounty Killer help you if you do that. We no see more other fan base out there a send up Bounty Killer and thy mother. We not see Haidonia. We not see Busy Signal. Sin. We not see Wayne Marshall. We not see Elephant Man. We not see Baby Sham. We not see, yo, them here are straight disrespect. Even when Foota Hype and Bounty Killer have problem, Foota Hype saying respect and love Miss Ivy. Even when Beanie Man and Bounty Killer have problem, Beanie Man never disrespect Miss Ivy. Bounty Killer says, as a matter of fact, Beanie Man and Miss Ivy are friends. Them are brethren. Them live good. Even when Miss Ivy drop out, Miss Ivy dead yard. Beanie Man did it. Beanie Man respect Miss Ivy to the fullest. Bounty Killer saying go home one time, go see Miss Ivy and Beanie Man a reason him enemy, in nemesis, but the man always respect him mother. And if you see the Gaza fan base were so ungrateful, cause when Vybz Kartel touch road, Bounty Killer go Freedom Street, and he make sure go there, go support the youth. Seeing when time Kartel they behind bars, and Bounty Killer say, Kartel a go suffer. Yes, him a go suffer because him ungrateful. Him bite the hand we feed him. And no for no Gaza fans. If Vybz Kartel did listen to Bounty Killer and humble himself and never go down the road, go take up badness and act like say nobody can't talk to him. Remember say Kartel did a run rampant, appear badness, appear link, appear gang thing. Nobody couldn't tell Vybz Kartel nothing. And that's why Vybz Kartel end up when there. Yes, he must suffer so he can learn from his mistake. So, yes, Kartel come out and say God is the greatest, but Kartel not change. Kartel is the same person. Kartel just a run with this God is the greatest. But we are going to see how long he can keep it up for. But at the end of the day, Kartel may change a page, but remember, at the same book, he can go backwards to impage them. But at the end of the day, the Gaza fans them a disrespect Bounty Killer and a send a man up on thy mother for him opinion. At the end of the day, you know sir Bounty Killer that him never disrespect Kartel. The man a say him a show a massacre some support. So if him a massacre a friend, him not supposed to support him friend. And you out here this the man, while you not this Bounty Killer, you also a this Miss Ivy, the man mother dead, and you send him up on thy mother, no for you mother dead too, so you no love you mother, no for you mother alive, and you still a tell people about them mother. Me respect and love my mother. So if a man lose his mother, more than want his mother rest in peace. And my mother still alive. So a man go through a level of pain for bury his mother and lose his mother. And you know, disrespect the man and I hurt the man over and over about his mother. And as me said before, a Gaza fans a do it. So this a go hurt the youth more. Fi know say somebody when help Bounty Killer help Vybz Kartel. Bounty Killer make Vybz Kartel into a millionaire. A man could have signed Kartel, drop a 360 contract pan Kartel for 30 years. Remember Kartel did hungry and broke. He couldn't trick him. Bounty Killer couldn't deal with the man like a P. Diddy and put him in a some crazy contract and owe enough and royalty and sang them for years. Cause Kartel did want to boss. So he couldn't sign him from day one. But Bounty Killer never do that. Him help the youth. We not see Bounty Killer out here a deal with the youth certain way. Bounty Killer just a defend himself. But the Gaza fans them a tear down the youth right now. And because Kartel now say nothing, people feel like say Kartel change. Kartel realize saying they're in an internet era and he have bloggers on YouTube for this Bounty Killer for him. And he have one Kevin them for this Bounty Killer. You see how them youth are so passionate? We never see enough of them when Kartel they behind bars. When Kartel look like saying in a come a road, we never see enough of them. And how some of them are roll, it seem like say them and Kartel a day one. Some of them are act like say them did it when Kartel a suffer, or when Kartel did hungry, or when Kartel did a go studio, like say them did it. Seeing me understand say other fan base, this bounty killer and style bounty killer send him up on my mother. Me get that and that hurt. But at the end of the day, when a somebody where you help, it hurt more. When a somebody find your camp, when a somebody where you give food, give money, buy clothes, carry them gas stage show, look out for them, help them to get visa, bring them to producer, bring them to disc jockey. Remember Bounty Killer say how he fight with Kartel and Movado career. All when Bounty say things about Movado, the fans them we burn him out are saying bad mind, or him this, or him that. But the gully fans them never send him up under him mother because them respect Miss Ivy. But the Gaza fans them are the worst on YouTube. The worst on YouTube, the worst on the internet. And enough of them now go agree with a video yeah. Style Bounty Killer, this Bounty Killer, but the mother part and music and entertainment. When enough of you disrespect certain people, like say you know them personally, or you have some personal attack, or you feel like say, so know what you do. Defend Kartel in a friggery, and Bounty Killer say, yo, it look away. And Kartel no out here say, yo, no bill. On allow the artist, or on allow the elder, or allow me father, or rather some family feud. Don't get involved. Saying, cause people no disrespect Vybz Kartel. How much artists in a Jamaica I got this Vybz Kartel? Yes, Massacre try a thing. But at the end of the day, them just have a fallout here or there. But Massacre never send Kartel up on my mother. And Massacre know say in can't pass in place too far with Kartel, cause everybody know Kartel. Kartel just change a page, but at the same book. Don't act like Kartel out here are the victim in a dancehall. Kartel are no victim. Kartel are one of the column them in a dancehall, one of the legend them. Kartel are one of them guide in a music, and people know him links and connection. See, so when Massacre step to Kartel, it's a lyrical thing, musical thing. He now step to Kartel physically upon a bad man thing. Or just a competition like Manchester United and Arsenal, or Liverpool and Chelsea, or Manchester City, are just music. But where Uno Gaza fans are do, are send a man up on nine mother. And the man mother dead and deceased. Me understand at the end of the day, we not support that. I frigate the man lose his mother. I wanna know how the man love his mother. I wanna know say the man love Kartel and rate Kartel. But Kartel is just an unruly child. I wanna know that. But if a man did hate Kartel, he wouldn't bust Kartel, and in God Kartel show go support Kartel, a man does talk the truth more while. Sometimes we no act like say Kartel perfect, like Kartel no do no friggery out here. More while when a man talk the truth, on the no side truth, that's why we come with so much disrespect. Bounty Killer no perfect, Bounty Killer are no saint, but the man mother deceased. This is somebody when help, provide, look out for Kartel, give Kartel money, give Kartel food, give Kartel opportunity. And the same person when help, uno I go saying bad mind Kartel, when he help them. Yes, he having ways when love be done or whatsoever. But if I did bad mind, he wouldn't help Kartel. I know make it look like say Bounty Killer one of artists them where if it was all about money, he would have signed everybody. And if Bounty Killer did care about money, how Uno think he care about money, he would have signed Movado, Busy Signal, Elephant Man, Haidwana, Wayne Marshall, all of them. Whole heap of people the youth help and give back to. A real youth has some fuck up ways sometime, but a real youth. Jump Out TV production, like, comment, share, subscribe, I'm out.